Hi, this is Bronwyn, and we are going to multiply two binomials and a monomial, or just this number term at the front of these two. We're going to do this with algebra tiles to visually see what's actually going on. To start, I want to look at just our two binomials. We're going to do the two later, but we're going to start just with our multiplying our two binomials. So we have x take away 3. So we have 1x and 3 negative 1 tiles. So we have x take away 3 times x plus 1. This is how we set it up when we're setting up algebra tiles to multiply. I am just going to draw a little bit of a line so that we can see where our question is and where our answer is. So our question is on the outside of these lines, while our answer is on the inside of these lines. Now, x times x gives us x squared. That's what this looks like. X times negative 1 gives us a negative 1. X times negative 1 gives us negative 1. X times negative 1 gives us negative 1x. Or if we were thinking about it all together, x times negative 3 gives us negative 3x. And then we have x times positive 1. So x times positive 1 gives us positive x. And then 1 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 3, which we have in 3 negative 1 parts. So x minus 3 times x plus 1 gives us this looking like inside. But we have 2 of these, right? We're saying 2 times all of this. So we're going to take this and we're going to copy it because we have 2 of them. So now we need to simplify. I know that negative x and a positive x cancels off and gets me 0. I know that a negative x and a positive x cancel off and gets me 0. So I am left with 2x squared terms. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative x terms. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 negative 1 terms. So my final answer is 2x squared, take away 4x, take away 6. Hi, this is Bronwyn, and we're going to be multiplying two binomials with a monomial, or coefficient number in front. Before, we did this by multiplying our two binomials together, but this time we're going to first multiply our coefficient with our binomial, and then we'll multiply that by our other term. So we're going to do 2 times x, take away 3. So for this, we have x times 1 is x, and x times 1 is x, or x times 2 is 2x. And then we have 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. So 2 times x minus 3 is 2x minus 6. Two times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is negative 6. But we still have to multiply it by this. So really what we should have written is that this is still in brackets, and we have x plus 1. That is really what our next step is. So take that away because that was just one part. So now we know we've multiplied this in, and now we need to multiply our two binomials together. So we're going to take this and copy it. And now we need to take what we had on our inside, because that was the answer to our first part, and you need to multiply it by our second binomial. So that's what we have, our second one. So we need to do that second step. So we have x plus 1. So we have 2x minus 6 times x plus 1. This was our first step. This is our second step. X times x is x squared. X times x is x squared. Oops. Or 2x times x is 2x squared. Then x times 1 is x times 1 is x, or 2x times 1 is 2x. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. So fill all of these in. And 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. So then to simplify, we need to, if nothing, 2x is our 2x squared is here. We need to simplify our x terms. So I know that negative x plus x is 0, and negative x plus x is 0. And so my answer here is 2x squared minus 4x's and minus 6. which is what we have left here, and which is our final answer. If you remember when we did last time and we multiplied this, the two binomials first, and then we brought the 2 in, we got the same answer.